Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue team of our channel. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to make or how to find the animation font style inside Canva.com. I think this video tutorial is rare to see and most of people they are rare to know about it. So now let's get started. First, we go to Canva.com by writing ping this, and when we are on here, first you need to choose one template just among of them, and click this one and click on the new here, and the pop-up is coming like this. And this time we're gonna search for the lava's length font, lava length letter like this. So select or type in this keyword on that thing. When you see something like this, it means everything is not appearing, but you need to clear the filter like this. Click again and then go to this place, and now you can see this one is appearing like this. And then I recommend you to click on the three dots bar icon like this, and then scroll more down to see show all keywords, or you can see more like this. So go ahead and click on like this, and you will see 1,000 of text that starting with the difference of animation that you want to use. And you can even search for this style, and this style also by clicking to the three dots mark just inside that text, and then doing the following like this by clicking on that, and you will see more like this, and then it will take you to that all of this place, and you will see 1,000 of text animation that you can write it to your projects on this blank paper. And now let me show you one more example. For example, we're gonna use the K like this, and we simply drag and drop for everything just like this. And it is completely free. All this font is completely free, no need to pay for the premium. So I can think all of you can do it and use it as your own. So, and if you like any letter or like any text, you want to go back and go to this place again and click on see more, you will see everything it look like this. So here is the way that we can drag and drop it. So I think this is very cool for you. So it helps you a lot to do some animation with the text just like this. Okay, thank you guys for my short video tutorial, but I think most of the people they are real to know about it. So thank you again for watching.